Hi there. This is the first of a series of short tutorials about the R package vtree. Vtree is a flexible tool for generating variable trees, diagrams that display information about nested subsets of a data frame. In the right-hand panel, you can see an example of a variable tree. This is a consort-style diagram which shows the flow of patients through a clinical trial. In another tutorial, I'll show how this variable tree is produced. Today, I'm going to give a quick introduction to vtree. To get started, let's load the package. The examples that follow use a data frame called fake data, which represents 46 fictitious patients. Let's take a look at the first few rows of this data frame. Now let's build a variable tree for a single variable group. We specify the name of the data frame and then in quotes the variable. The variable tree is made up of nodes and arrows. At the far left is the root node, which shows that there are 46 patients. On the right are nodes for group A and B, showing frequencies and percentages. For example, in group B, there are 22 patients, making up 48% of the total. We can also draw the variable tree vertically instead of horizontally. Now, let's examine severity within group. We put the name severity in the same character string with group, just separated by a space. You'll see that within each group we have mild, moderate, and severe, and there are also missing values represented by NA. We can keep adding variables, so let's add the variable sex next. You'll see that as variable trees get bigger, they can also get hard to read, and so there are various options in vtree to make it more convenient to work with big variable trees. In this case, I'm requesting that the node label as well as the frequency and percentage all be on the same line within each node, so you can see a little bit more clearly what's going on. vtree is designed to be quick and easy to use so that it's convenient for data exploration, but also flexible enough that it can be used to prepare publication-ready figures. In future tutorials, I'll explain the features in vtree for labeling and formatting, pruning, displaying summary information, and lots more. vtree version 4 is available now on CRAN.